Hi there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke and today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy vegan pancakes. First you need a cup of flour. Into the bowl that goes. Next, we'll put in a tablespoon of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we're going to put in 1 cup of cashew milk. I choose cashew milk because it's nice and creamy, but you can also use soy milk, rice milk, almond milk, whatever plant-based milk you choose. 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That will react with the baking powder to make the pancakes nice and fluffy. Okay, now we're going to whisk it until the flour is just combined. You don't want to whisk it too much or you'll get chewy pancakes instead of fluffy pancakes. Okay, so next I'm going to put in half a mashed banana. Okay, so I'm just going to mash this banana, half of the banana, in a bowl. I only use half for this amount of batter, but if you double the batter, then definitely use a full banana if you'd like. We like adding banana just because it gives it a really nice flavor. Okay, so that's all mashed up. It's going to be going into the batter. Of course, if you don't like bananas or don't want them in pancakes, then just omit the banana. Okay, and last but not least, we make them extra special by putting in some vegan dark chocolate chips. And into the batter they go, just a few, just to give it an extra sweet taste. And stir it all up. Okay, so I'm going to cook the pancakes on this electric griddle that I've had for many years, and it works perfectly. But if you don't have an electric griddle, then just cook them in a nonstick frying pan or a seasoned cast iron pan over medium-high heat. And I use an ice cream scoop so that we get nice, big, even pancakes. Just gonna spread that out a little bit. Okay. You'll flip them when you see bubbles forming in the center. So I'm flipping the pancakes. Chocolate chip sort of escaped. Okay, so these look ready to be taken off. Sometimes we'll make these with blueberries instead of the chocolate chips. But our favorite is definitely with the chocolate chips. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate these pancakes. I'm going to add my homemade vegan butter. I have created a recipe and a video for that, so please click there to see my recipe on how to make vegan butter. Looks so good and it tastes even better. And now for the blueberries and the strawberries that we cut up. These really are delicious pancakes and you will not regret making them. And now for real maple syrup. Only the real stuff, never the fake. Here are my fluffy vegan pancakes. Rockstar quality. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more great Rockstar vegan recipes.